Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use this new DIY gel from Enailcouture. I'm going to be testing it out. So if you're interested in seeing how that product works, let's get started. First, I'm taking my Melody Susie nail drill and I'm buffing off the shine from my nail. You do not need a nail drill for this. You can easily just use a file, but I own one and I think it makes it a lot easier. Next, I'm going in with the cuticle bit to remove that excess cuticle so that my nails can stay on nice and long. Today we're going to be using Enailcouture's 123 Go Nails in the medium almond Princess Pink shape. Their new DIY gel is supposed to make it way easier for you to apply full cover tips on your own hands. Typically it's difficult to do it on your own self because you have to use one hand to hold down the nail while trying to put it under the light. So this DIY gel actually makes it stick to your hand without you having to hold it down. I totally forgot to apply base coat gel, but I will apply it on the next hand. Hopefully I don't get any greenies. I have linked the hands-free UV light that I use. I got it from Amazon. It'll be linked in the description. So I actually remembered to use base coat gel on this hand, and I'm actually going to retry to use that Dailycharme extension gel. I want to give it another shot because last time all my nails popped off because I used peel off gel base coat. So this time I'm going to really see how long they last. Now I'm taking my 100 grit file, and I'm just going to file to my desired shape. I like them to be just a little bit more pointier and a little bit less round, so that's what I'm doing here, but it's very subtle and it's very unnecessary because they're already shaped. I'm taking this cuticle bit to file off any excess gel that spilled out and got cured on my cuticle, and I'm just flushing it, making sure it blends in really nicely so that you don't have that press-on look. I'm taking this Cherub nail foil that I got from AliExpress, probably for super cheap. Cherubs are like little angel babies. Then I'm going to use this Makartt nail foil glue to adhere the nail foil. You want to apply the glue to your hand and then let it cure under the UV lamp for 60 seconds so that it can get sticky. That way you can lay the foil right on top, rub it, and then peel it right off. I'm taking these iridescent hearts and butterflies that I got off of AliExpress, and I'm going to try encapsulating the nail on top instead of underneath this time, since the nail does have color. I'm going to do that by applying the top coat and then placing the hearts and butterflies into the sticky layer of the top coat, coating it, and then doing another layer of top coat. I thought it would be nice to use this shiny top coat. It's a glitter. This one is like a blue opaly kind of reflective glitter top coat, and this is a no wipe one, so I don't have to put anything on top. It just seals perfectly and shiny like this, and it came with a pack of 3. The other one is like gold, and then the other one reflects pink. My Zule bling adhesive got glued shut, so I'm just taking these Swarovski crystals and placing them into a top coat and just gonna cure it like that. Hopefully it sticks. I do need to buy a new gel adhesive. I'm taking this Dailycharme Diamond Shine Gel Top Coat, and that's what I'm gonna use to top coat the rest of the nails. I'm actually using the DIY gel to apply the nail charms because, like I said, I don't have any glue right now. So that's gonna have to do, and it actually works pretty well. These beautiful Kawaii pearl charms came from Secret Nail Affair. I'll have the video linked to that Secret Nail Affair haul linked in the cards. I'm just taking that glitter top coat and I'm applying it to the pinky finger just to give it a little bit of design. Lastly, I'm taking my cotton candy cuticle oil that I got from Enailcouture, and I'm gonna soak my cuticles in this oil.